Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this file and asked how they could change the thickness of the line. And originally it looked like a vector file. But if you look down here, it is a group of 25 objects and it will not ungroup. Well, it will. But you see there's two cars on top of each other. And now it won't ungroup. So for the person I'm doing for, there were two sets of cars. And this one has more details than that one. So I'm just gonna, don't ever delete anything, just move it out of the way. And you can't do anything to this. This is a bitmap. And there's no fill and there's no outline. So we got to trace it. I'm not even going to convert it to a bitmap or anything. I'm just going to trace it. I'm going to use outline trace, clip art. And in that length of time it did it, and it's took away the background. So we moved the yellow box here. It's a good, clean, white, clear, transparent image. And now you can, it's an orange, so I'm going to left click, no fill, and I'm going to right click black. So now you have two sets of lines, which makes a pretty good drawing. And every line should be, well, let's go to object group and ungroup. Now every line should be changeable, so I'm going to make that one, well, the whole thing's red. So that was a whole group. Let me just get rid of this now that we know it's a, let's look at this further, go to object group. Okay, it's ungrouped, but it's still like made up of a bunch of lines, but they're all 2 millimeters, so you could change it to red. And then you could actually change it to, and I don't work with millimeters, so you make it 1 millimeter, make it thinner lines, make it thicker lines, which is too thick for the drawing. Just all depends on what you're going to do with it. If you're going to engrave this, this would be pretty cool. Now, one thing you could do to clean it up, because the part that is black is separated than the other parts. So you could actually click on them and you could change them. You know, they're black at 200 millimeters. I don't understand why I guess all the lines in the car are, and don't ever really do that. Set your nudge factor on something higher. This thing's like not quite 10, so we'll put 10. And we'll nudge it out of the way so we can always nudge it back. I guess it's all one line because well, it can't be all one line because there's other parts that aren't touching. So let's make sure we got it grabbed. We should be able to break the curve apart. Now these are individual lines, so you could go through here and change the whole car. And what I would do, the car to me looks great. I don't like the grille. So I would completely change out this grill. And I think I'm going to make a second video so this won't be so long in case you're not interested on how I would make this grill. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.